Hello guys, Jake back here with another video. I'm sorry I haven't been posting lately, but some of my videos have been really bad, and today I'm with my friend Carissa.
Hi!
And today we're gonna be playing Get
Did you forget about me?
Sorry, Lucas is here too, and we're all gonna play Get Eaten together. And we're gonna play
We all have to get into the same thing, okay?
So who's playing Raining Tacos?
I don't know.
I'm putting on my Wii music.
Jake, get in my bus. Get in my bus.
No. So I'm sorry guys if you can't hear Carissa's voice because she's on the phone, but I'm pretty sure you guys
Get in
can.
my bus, Jake. I'm right here.
Oh, sorry. But I'm pretty sure you guys should hear her because like it's not like she's like on Discord or something or like Skype. So you should be able to hear her perfect. Carissa, do you want to say anything to my 12 subscribers?
Hello, people.
And you guys, I'm in first.
I don't know. I hope you enjoy this video because it's going to be hilarious.
It looks so cool.
What?
It's going to be hilarious, so I hope you enjoy this video. And of course,
subscribe!
The bus failed, so we have to restart.
Yeah. I literally just went. Oh, and guys.
A lot of people on the bus.
Guys, you might have noticed my shirt and my pants on the game. It's Chloe Games, one of the best YouTubers ever. She's amazing. Everyone should go to subscribe to her. She covers a lot of news. She covers a lot of Roblox news, and she covers all that. She's not paying me to say this or anything. Like, I don't even know her, but I just want to say.
You're not sponsoring her.
No. But anyway, she's a great channel. No sponsors. I'm not a sellout. I'm only 10.
I need to reset my character.
Carissa.
Get in my bus, you guys.
I am under the bus. Yo, I just went under a bus.
Jake and Lucas, get in my bus.
I'm already in the yellow tube thing.
Alright, well, I'm going down that one. Yeah.
You'll see me just running around.
Why are you in there still? Alright, people are really, like, my bus is, like, going insane.
This can only be 15 minutes long, though, but that should be enough time.
Yeah.
Right now, we're 2 minutes in.
Alright, someone is, like, making my thing go insane, and it's really annoying.
Personally, I love Raining Tacos, but,
I
like...
lost connection!
What?
I'll be right in, I'll be in.
Alright, rejoin.
Alright, yeah, I know.
I'm so close to 2,000!
I'm at 1,980, okay?
I'm at 1,960.
Alright, I have more than you. Still.
By 20. And if I go down this one more time, I'll be...
Wait, can you wait? So, like...
Yeah, let's do it together. Let's reach 200 points together.
Alright, yeah. Oh my god. Hold on, my thing is like... No,
Ryan 9023, go! Funny thing is, he's playing Raining Tacos and he's in a taco. The guy's playing Raining Tacos. And
what's his name?
His username is Ryan309YT.
Oh.
But he is level 12 and 3,930. And I'll show you guys here.
Wait,
see?
I got lagged out. I lost connection.
I know, but
are you rejoining? Are you rejoining?
Yeah, I'm rejoining now. My thing is like acting up. It wouldn't load the page.
Oh, your computer.
Yeah.
Oh, you guys may be like, Jake, why are you playing on your computer? Well, computer and not phone. Oh my god. Well, ho. I'm using my mom's computer.
Congratulations.
Yeah. Congratulations, I achieved nothing in my life. I'm gonna say, I'm recording.
Except for giving me probably about $100,000 in Bloxburg. Alright, Jake, get in my bus.
I'm saying everyone say hi to YT. No, Carissa, let's just go. Yeah, I'm gonna go on your bus. Hopefully it doesn't like glitch out or something. Hi, YT. Oh my god, Carissa. What do you say? Amiha's and tags.
Add me on Snap.
Oh, and guys, actually I have a little bit of announcement. I have Discord. I don't have a Discord server, but I do have Discord. Yeah.
Alright, can everyone get in my bus?
Jake, look what I said in the chat.
Hey, Mikey.
Alright, I'm going without you guys. I'm reaching 2,000 without you, Jake, then.
I am in the back of your bus.
No, you're not.
Yes, I am. Check. Me and Lucas are both in.
Oh, okay.
We will reach.
Guys, we're about to get eaten.
Yay! I don't know why I should be happy about that. Yes, we have to get out here. Get out, get out, get out. Now jump!
Yes, I got it first. I got it first before you, Jake.
I got next! Ah, Lucas.
No!
Yes, yes, yes! 2,000! Yes, 2,000!
2,060.
2,000! 2,040!
Zach is in the game. Zach,
Oh, hey, Finn.
I got 100 points.
I got a friend, Zach. Zach is in the game, Jake.
Yeah, I just saw.
Yay!
I need to friend him. I'm gonna say I'm making a vid.
Hi, Zach.
I'm making a vid.
Hi, Zach.
Oh my god, I'm getting the unicorn.
Unicorn? Oh, I forgot we can go over here! Oh my god, I'm so excited! Sorry guys if you went deaf, but oh my god, I'm so damn excited! Oh my god, you're a unicorn! You're a unicorn! You're a unicorn! I'm gonna be a cloud! I'm a cloud! I'm a cloud!
Boo!
I'm a cloud! I'm a cloud! I'm a cloud!
You're farting stars that are rainbows.
Did anyone else just see me going?
Subscribe to me. Everyone, shout out to the YouTuber Zach Shack. He's my friend IRL, not sponsored at XD. And yeah. Carissa said she has a YT and I would like to shout her out, but she's like, no, I'm not telling you.
Lucas, what thing do you want? Come here, Lucas.
What?
Lucas, come here, follow me. Come up this ramp, but you can't go in it. Which one? Do you want the Bloxy Cola tea?
And start out.
What do you want? I'll bring it down for you. Do you want the
Cloud.
rocket back here?
Cloud.
Cloud? You want the cloud? Okay. I'll bring it down for you.
Oh,
Watch out.
I'm going down. Wait, who was that?
Zach.
Here.
Oh yeah, that's Zach, of course.
Yay!
Everyone shout out to Spaghetti Guy. Jake has the best song. I hear. Hi, Zach! He was like, hi, Zach! Hello, you. She
What
is.
level is it? Zach is only level 3.
She actually showed me this game.
I'm only level 2.
I
I know. Right.
know.
I just
I'm
died. I
on
hit the
a
floor.
call with.
Yum fluffy.
What the heck? I friend request Zach.
He's already your friend.
I unfriended him.
I wanted the rock. Yo, guys, I'm getting on this ski thing. If you guys want to come on, you can.
Jake, where are you?
Unlimited data now.
Bonk.
Sorry guys, but I have to
My thing, guys, get on my
because
thing.
I
All
have
right, bye. Get out of my the beats.
Get on.
So rip. I just died.
Yeah, you just went flying.
I'm actually coming down. I'm coming down. Hi.
Alright. Zach is not on. Huh?
No.
Where's Lucas?
I'm guys. I'm gonna privatize Zach. Actually.
Alright.
Best music ever, right? We're
I'm
squad.
gonna kill those people.
We're squad.
I need to get it up.
No.
Get on. Get on.
We're a squad.
Again. Oh my god. Jake, no, that's mine!
Wait, what?
Oh, I thought it was you. It was some other noob.
Stop calling people noobs for God's sake.
Get on it! Get on, Jake!
Haha, Zach. Zach is like, let me in.
Nothing on. Who else is on here?
No one. Just, we have to go down to get Zach.
Whoa!
Yo, you do this, Zach. My spaghetti. You're a bad driver. I know, right?
No, I'm not. I almost died twice. I'm convinced.
And then I'd say, I know, right? Sorry.
Oh!
I jumped out! I jumped out! I jumped out because I got scared. I was like, let me in. Can I get in?
Jake, get a rip in the chat. Rip. don't, please don't do that ever again.
What?
What you said in the chat. Never say that again. Never. I'm getting my own sheet.
Kids, time for school! Yay, school! Yay, school! I'm dead.
Wait, who's this pink person?
School. How to properly spell school. Look in the chat. But I
No,
don't want
it's
to.
like this.
School. I'm going on unicorn.
That is my unicorn.
Nope. Mine. Your unicorn is trash.
No. Yeah, because it doesn't like you. Oh
Me?
dear God.
School time.
Everyone's spelling it like me now.
Just me and Zach. God, it's just me and Zach. Is that everyone the whole server? Oh, that's sad. Yes. No! No!
Oh my God, I made it.
I don't like school.
Oh my God.
I'm in a rocket ship.
I officially love the Jeep. The white Jeep.
I know, it's so good. But since I'm a noob, I test out everything. Wait, did the video end? Oh no, it's still going, but we only have a little bit of time left. Carissa, we only have a little bit of time left in this video.
How much?
2 minutes.
Oh.
So I'm just gonna finish this slide and I'm gonna end it off. Alright?
Alright.
And
What slide?
I'm going down the yellow one and I'm about to go in his mouth. And we all have to get together as a group and then just say bye.
Yeah.
And then I guess I have to edit. There we go. So
Wait, are you done?
yeah, I just finished.
Alright,
Zach.
I gotta come by you.
Zach. So guys, that will be it for this video today. I hope you guys enjoyed. And if you guys did enjoy, make sure to like the video and subscribe to my YouTube because I do cringy videos just like this now. Bye guys.